surveys be conducted, excavation happen at the sites of where mosques have been built?
Well, I think it's important to keep in mind that this is not, there may be a historical context in which this act was passed, but the act was not passed specifically focused on any specific community. There was a very important exception that one census was required to be made, which was an exception made for Ayodhya. And that exception at that time appeared, and I hope that it continues to appear, as the putting a ceiling on any issues that could arise between communities in the country. And that's not just Hindu-Muslim communities. Communities in the country are many. There are Buddhists, there are Jains, there are Sikhs, there are Muslims, there are Christians, there are Hindus. So decisions between them of the past should not be raked up is basically what the purpose of this legislation was. And this is not new to India. This has been done everywhere in the world. The methodology may be different. In South Africa, when the Truth and Reconciliation Commission was formed, the idea was, let us move on, forget the past and move on. Whatever had to happen in the past has happened. Now let's move on and let's find a line that we can draw. India, I believe, consensually drew the line in 1947. This was done in 1991, but we chose to do it for 15th of August 1947, and it was a consensual approach. It was not a partisan approach. It was a consensual approach. And now to reopen it and to say, but what happened in the past, then the whole issue about who did what to whom in the past will be raked up. And you are not just raking up a mandir or a masjid issue, you are raking up an entire past that